Hey guys, in the last video we have discussed about what are the functions in C++, and I have also given a question to you that take input from the user in the void and give the input as the argument as your favorite number and favorite character, and the second question is takes the input from the user in the float and calculate the percentage. So I will solve this problem first. 9 problem.cpp. Okay, now what are the problem statement? First is the take input from the user in the void, and input are the favorite number and favorite character. So this is very simple. I will type the basic code with code boilerplate. Now I have to make a function first of all, so I will make a function of void and favorite user, because in this function we will be taking favorite number and favorite character of user. So I have made this name favorite user, and I will take a character. So I will take char c and favorite number, so int n. Okay, now I will just display it cout the favorite char is, and I will type here c and then endl. Now I will copy line down with control n. Okay, now favorite character is done. Favorite integer is n. So I will make a character char c and integer e, and I will display here cout type your favorite int and backslash n, and similarly I will type your favorite char. Now I have to do input, so I will take c in, and for integer I will type e because I have made the integer with e, and control n and alt down arrow, and for favorite character I will type c. Now I will type the function favorite user, and we have to give in the sequence only. That first we have given the char, so I will type the char first. What is the char? Char is c, and then common, and the second one is integer, and second one is e. So this is how you can solve your problem. I will run it, but first you can see here that I have made the character with c, and I have also passed with c, and I have made the integer with n, and I have passed here e because I have not created integer n from in the main function. So this is different in the function which you have created. So the function will know only these arguments, integer n and integer n and character c. This function will never knows what are the character c and what are the integer e until you pass these argument in this function. So when I run it, type your favorite integer. So I will type 85 and type your favorite character as j. So the favorite character is j and favorite integer is 85. Okay, so now our first problem is solved. Now second problem is take input from the user in the float and calculate the percentage. So we have to take input of marks only. So I will make a function here, and I will this time make the function in float and percentage, because this is calculating the percentage, and I will take a value as float and float r. Okay, and now I have to calculate the percentage. So this is very simple. Simply I will type cout the percentage when I type the percentage sign, this is showing blue because this is used to display in the printf. So this is also there is some use of this percentage sign when we used C when we use C programming. Then when we type printf, and when we have to display any integer or character, so we have to type percentage d for the integer, percentage c for the character. So this time I will not type this percentage, I will type only percentage value is. And what is the percentage value? Out of 500 marks. So I will type percentage value out of 500 marks is, now r divided by 5. So now I will calculate the percentage. I will comment this, and I have to make a float and float q, and I will type cout, or I will just copy this line. Type your marks, and I will now take input. So I will type c in q, and I will pass this to percentage q. Okay, so this time it will calculate our percentage. Type your marks here. I will type 85. Okay guys, so when I run it, you can see here type your marks. I will type 455 this time, and the percentage value of out of 500 marks is 91%. So when I type percentage, when I display here, so this looks great. Type your marks, and I will type 489, and the percentage value is 97.8%. Okay, so I am done with my percentage quotient, and I have created here float, so I should also return any float integer. This is not giving any error value because we have not printed it. When I print cout percentage, then you can see when I run it, and it is asking for marks. I will type 496, and when it display, so you can see here what it is displaying an error value. So I have to also return r divided by 5. So you can also you can display here, or you can display at the end. And I will display like this: cout the percentage value of out of 500 marks is type your percentage. 475 is 95. Okay, so we are done with both the question. Now I will continue from the 10th video, and I will discuss array in the next video. So thanks for watching.